and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Metamorphosis puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the Metamorphosis puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to move all parts from this area of the puzzle to this area of the puzzle. But as you can see, there are some restrictions. First of all, you can't just leave the parts and put them here. They are all behind this transparent acrylic piece. You can move them only by tilting the frame or by using this wooden tool, and you can push the parts from one side to another. But it is not as simple to move the parts from one side to another, since this area is 9 by 4 and it creates 36 voxels, but this area is 6 by 6, also 36 voxels, but different shape. That means that it is not easy just to put the parts from this area to this one. You have to find a correct assembling of the parts in this square area, and it will be quite a challenge, since you have not only to find the correct position for each and every piece, but also the correct sequence how to move them from one side to another. And then there is also a dexterity part to this puzzle. Since you can't move the parts with your hands, you have to use this tool, or you have to like tilt the puzzle, and sometimes it is very difficult to put the part in the spot it is intended, and it makes this puzzle a dexterity challenge. Sometimes you want just to throw the puzzle and never touch it again, since it can be very challenging to move the parts. But it is quite a nice fun puzzle. It has more than one solution, since while solving it I found that I can pack the parts in this area in at least 2 or 3 different combinations. Maybe there are more, but still even finding one solution is very challenging, and it will require you a lot of time and patience to solve it. If you like the Metamorphosis puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see at least one of the solutions of the puzzle, keep watching the video. So now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. First of all, for some reason I was solving it upside down with the sign on the top side. It was easier for me to move parts from left to right. And now let's try to move all the parts here. So this part will be flipped like that, and it will be in this top left corner, but I'm not going to keep it there all the time now, since now I have to remove this piece, rotate it and put it in this corner. And this piece is very important, since it will be one of the first parts to fit inside of the new area. I have to rotate it, yeah, as you can see, and I'm using this wooden tool to move the parts, which makes the challenge even more complicated. Okay, maybe I can move it down a little bit. So even though I know the assembling, it is still like solving it the first time, since I have to move the parts inside, and it is quite difficult. Oh, okay. This moves down a little bit more and into this corner. Okay, that is the first. Then what do I need to put? I have to grab this piece, put it here, but I think that since I have a lot of space in the left side, I'll put some of the parts there until I need them. Okay, so this piece goes here, and I need this part in this top section. Okay, so I'll put this one here for now. Then try to first of all rotate this piece and move it to the corner. It won't be easy. Yeah, as you can see, when you tilt the puzzle, you want to move just one piece, but all of them are sliding down. That is making the puzzle very challenging to solve. Okay, maybe I have to remove this piece a little bit. Okay, this goes here. I can leave this part here. Now I have to deal with this one. That's just a crazy dexterity challenge. Okay, this part goes down. I have to slide this in a little bit down. Now move this part so that I can put this T-shaped piece to the top corner. So it goes there. This goes on top. Ooh, yeah. Finally, this piece goes here. This small part will go here, and then this piece will go here. So to put everything the correct way, I have to put this part right here. Yeah, this one is okay. Now I slide this piece here, since I have to put it inside of this one, and I have to rotate this small piece. Oh, I can even try to rotate it with my finger. Okay, this goes here. Now this piece, I have to move it just a little bit down, leave it here, then this goes here, and this fits inside of this part and here. Oh, okay. I think that the biggest challenge already solved. Now I just have to put some of the parts, like this goes down here, fits nicely. This one I have to rotate it first. How to rotate it? Quite difficult to rotate the part. Okay, like that. And then, no, not like that. Rotate it a little bit more. Yeah, slide in, go inside. And the last piece, oh, I guess this one is supposed to be the last one. I have to put this L-shaped piece first, and it is supposed to go down here. Rotate. I want to rotate this piece. Yeah, like that, go down, down, down. Ooh, finally. And the last piece just slides here. Not as easy as it sounds. Ooh, and the puzzle is solved. All parts are in the right side of the frame. As you can see, the solution here, how to put parts, isn't that difficult. You can probably imagine how to put the parts into this 6x6 area. But when you try to move the parts, this is a real challenge, since you don't have free access to the parts and you have to use the tool to move them, and sometimes you have to rotate the parts or just tilt the box, which makes a lot of mess inside. So quite a fun challenge. If you like the Metamorphosis puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.